afternoon everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is me, TD, right back on your screens once again, and we have a plant that I've been growing for the longest of time, but I felt like it wasn't big enough for it to make an appearance in front of the camera. But now it is growing. I've been loving it. I've been doing what I needed to do to make sure that, you know, it can make its first appearance here on camera today for you. And I'm also drinking. I am not a drinker. This is probably the third time I drink this year. I am a white wine type of girl. I prefer my Chenin Blancs. This is a blend of Chenin Blanc and Sauvignon Blanc. It's very fruity, you know. If I were to eat seafood, I would most likely pair it with a white wine. I'm not a red wine type of girl. Also, you're probably thinking, why the heck is she drinking from that glass? I'm drinking from this glass because I feel like it represents myself, and it's my go-to glass. To tell you guys the truth, it's more of a whiskey glass, but I use it as a wine glass because I like how masculine it is, and I'm not, because personally speaking, I'm not very feminine, so that's that. So today's video, I'm gonna be venting, and not just that, also celebrating the fact that we have reached 7,000 subscribers, because I know myself that I will not, on repeat, will not celebrate when we get to 10,000, because I don't know, again, I don't really celebrate anything, so I'm also shocked that I'm celebrating 7,000 subscribers. So to my new subscribers, thank you so much for helping me reach this number, and to my oldies, thank you so much for riding with me all along, and I hope you and I can continue this journey, and I hope to my new subscribers, you and I can build a good relationship going forward. You will always be there because I will always be there, that's for sure. So without any further ado, let's get right into today's video. So first things first, I don't want to make this video long because it's just a venting session, honestly speaking. So I have been wearing my hair out because I've been doing lives, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, go on my Instagram, click on that other profile, and within my profile you will see there's a space for all the lives I've hosted before. And within all of this process, I told myself that I will wear my hair out regularly because I feel like I lack confidence in my hair. I actually do not like how I look like in my hair. Therefore, I thought to myself, for each life, I'll wear my hair out. However, I didn't realize the aftermath that will come with this entire process. So what I've realized is that I actually don't like styling my hair. After I take out my bunch knots and I have the curls and everything, the days that follow are a bit tough for me because I don't know how to treat my hair, right? So after I have done, you know, the live, I actually don't want to put my hair up in twist. I'm tired from the live. I don't know about you, but I feed off people's energies, and by the time I'm done with my live, I'm pretty tired, and I don't want to put my hair up in twists, and that causes problems. Okay, that causes problems, serious problems such as single strand knots and picking. I've realized that I pick my hair a lot. I find myself randomly putting my hand in my hair for no absolute reason but to feel if it's there. Obviously it's there, city, but I don't know why I do that, but I do it. Okay, I find myself detangling on dry hair for some weird reason. I don't moisturize on time. I don't have a moisturizing routine anymore because I wear my hair out like this. Like when I have a routine for something, that means that I don't have to think about it, and I don't want to think about it. And since I've started doing my lives, I have to think about my hair. I have to think about how I want to wear my hair out for my live. I have to think about everything and how my wash days are set up. I also have to think about styling my hair within my wash days, and I have to think about a lot of things which I don't like to do at this point in time. I don't like the thinking that I have to do for my hair specifically. I feel like it's time consuming, and that's just how I've been really feeling all of this within this whole process. I'm basically trying to love my hair because I don't know about you guys, but maybe I've never told you guys this, but I don't have the natural hair confidence that you guys might think I have. Okay, like I actually don't wear my hair out for a reason because I feel like I'm more beautiful in it. I feel like I'm still within my 5 years, almost my 5 years of being natural, I'm still trying to figure out how to wear my hair out and be comfortable with my hair. For example, if you can look at my hair properly, right, this side is very short, this side is very long. On a normal day that bothers me, but I think because I've been wearing my hair out on each live, it helps somehow. And not just that, but I've also been struggling with a lot of product buildup. I find that my hair has a lot of product, therefore I personally feel like I have to wash my hair bi-weekly because I'm styling and manipulating my hair so much. But at the same time, I don't think my hair can handle that. You get what I mean? So I am trying to make certain changes in my life and trying to basically work with my hair. I mean, sure thing, you know, I could see this as a positive experience, which I'm trying to see it as, because to tell you guys the truth, I struggle. I never know how to style my hair, and I'm sure you guys know this because every time I do a bun to knot out video or a twist out video, I normally feel quite stranded because I never know how to style my hair. I never know what to do with it except like a side part and then pin it, and then that's it. So I have to learn to get into the habit of making sure that my wash days lead to my styling days also, if that makes sense. You know what I mean? So that's what I've also been realizing. But I think at the end of the day, I want to use this whole process as a opportunity to basically learn about my hair, because I think I understand my hair in twists, but I don't understand my hair out like this. You get what I'm saying? So I think that's what I want to do going forward, and maybe this could be an encouragement to someone. Know that it makes sense, the journey you are on, whereby you wash your hair and you don't want to see it. Know that I'm also in the same boat, you know, and I've been natural for almost 5 years. Know that you're not the only one who styles their hair and they don't like how they look in their own hair. You know what I mean? Like when you look at yourself, you just like, I feel like if this hair was like flat, it would make sense, but like now it's big and I feel like it's ruined my whole outfit. Sometimes I feel that way, but I think I have to learn to accept my hair for what it is. I have to accept that my hair is short on this side, it's long on this side, and it's longer in the middle, and there's nothing I can do. I can try to fluff it out like this, but I think accepting it for what it is helps the most. And I feel like that's the journey I'm on right now, of accepting my hair for what it is, how it comes out when I do certain styles, and I have to learn to accept that. But I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm tired of my hair only because I've been in it so much since I've started my lives, and I don't want anyone to think that, you know, I regret starting my lives. I absolutely love it, and I think for me it's about building up the necessary confidence for my lives, not just for my lives, but also building a personal journey for myself regarding the fact that I'm still not comfortable in my own hair. That time it grows from my own scalp, I cannot change it. Funny enough is that I accept my hair for what it is, but I don't want to accept my hair with me. I don't know if that makes sense. It's like I accept it as a separate entity, you know, but as part of me, I feel like I haven't accepted it much. Like I don't like, for example, somebody might have clicked on this video and thought, oh my gosh, she's so pretty with my hair out. But I feel like for me, it's very challenging to be comfortable in front of the camera, to have a 10-minute conversation with you guys and be okay with how I've looked the entire 10 minutes. So I just want everyone to know that, you know, I'm also on a journey. It's not as easy as, you know, maybe you might be under the impression that it's easy, but for me it's not. I'm still learning. I'm still trying to figure out a lot of things. I'm still trying to understand my hair when it's out like this, myself with my hair when it's out like this, and I hope that makes sense for someone out there. So basically that's it. I didn't really want to chat too much. I just want to say thank you guys so much for helping me reach 7,000 subscribers, and know that I'm embarking on a new journey of learning how to love my hair in its shrunken state, wear it out confidently in its shrunken state, style it, also being comfortable with having to put my hair up in twists regularly just to take it out like 2 days after. Sometimes I find it a little bit difficult to have to match my hair to how I'm feeling, because sometimes my hair be throwing me off. So I'll see you guys in my next video, and cheers to you.